we had two libraries before that almost felt similar. They weren't very distinct at all. If you go to both libraries now, you cannot miss the fact that they are completely different. You know, we have a very colorful, vibrant, light space in the elementary school, which is more focused on noise and making things and being together, lots of collaboration. And we have a space in the middle school and the high school that is more focused on research and on study. So the atmosphere in both places is different.
As soon as I come in, I feel like actually getting work done. Like it feels like a learning environment rather than a social space. Because last year, you know, it became a social space for too many people. But this year, it's much more focused towards learning.
It's probably much more of a productive workspace because there are like the designated areas where some people can do individual and then group work. So I think that way it's a lot easier to organize yourself and yeah, get more work done.
Every decision we made, well, what would be best for the kids? What would they like the best? What would help them learn the best?
This year we have a lot more fun activities, so a lot more opportunity. Instead of just books or just plain reading, we also have competitions and different activities that can relate to learning.
They do stop motion, green screen, now they do origami. Yeah.
The library needs to be equipped for the 21st century, and you know that means more than just books and more than just that kind of service.
Thanks to a nice gift from the Annual Fund, we were able to stock the green screen room in the middle school and the high school with lots of wonderful equipment. The role of the library here is to provide a place where students can create and where if they need help they can get support. Next to our traditional role of promoting reading, we have a role that is about promoting research or teaching students how to do proper research.
We have now moved our non-fiction collection and our research component to mostly online.
It's really useful to have a library media staff who's really always out there and on top of the latest kind of pieces of tools that might be useful for us, both latest resources in terms of what new websites are out there, but also the latest tools and strategies kids can use in their inquiry.
No student needs to go beyond ISB to do all aspects of independent research because the library has that infrastructure available. It's accessible both through the library website and through our extended essay website. They know this is their research center.